to show you these earrings that I received from the company. They're these hoops that are like a really nice size. They're not too big. I got them in gold. You could see the size. I think it's a nice size. It's not like too big on my face, as well as it's not very heavy, which I really do appreciate. Sometimes I feel like jewelry like this can be super heavy. These almost feel like hollow, so they don't feel heavy on my ear, which I love. The back is a piece of metal, which is also really nice. It's not like a piece of plastic against my ear. I do have like sensitive skin, sensitive ears, and I've not had problems with these. So I definitely would recommend them for somebody that like is nervous about like sensitivity or has some allergies. They come in this really pretty package. It's like nice little satchel, this cloth little satchel, as well as the plastic, like a really heavy duty plastic, and then the box. So it comes like packaged so great that I would definitely give these as a gift. Really pretty design. They're kind of like flat and then they go in. So happy with these.